Hi, welcome to 561 Ride. Today, I'm doing a review on the SnapJack V2 from Tirox. The main use of this tool is to allow basic chain maintenance on light to medium weight street bikes without a center stand, like a sport bike or my Ninja 1000 Touring. Let's see what's included in the package. We've got two grip pads. One of these go under the jack, and the other one goes under the kickstand when using the SnapJack on slippery surfaces. We've also got a drawstring bag, so we can bring this with us on road trips, which is exactly where this tool shines, as you would definitely need to clean and lube your chain on a trip, but you will not be able to bring a rear stand with you. Next, we have a Velcro strap. This is used to hold down the front brake lever while the SnapJack is in use, as the front wheel, the kickstand, and the SnapJack will be the 3 points of contact on the ground, and you don't want any of them to move. Now we get to the SnapJack itself. There's a pivot bowl near the top and the bottom to allow alignment of the jack on the ground and on the swing arm. You will see there are 4 holes on each side. The bottom 3 are for you to adjust the pivot pin so that you can adjust the height of the lift. The top hole is for the security pin, so that once the SnapJack is in place, it does not accidentally fold itself and drop the bike back down. You can see here that by removing the pivot pin, you can adjust the lift height of the SnapJack. Make it so that you are lifting the rear wheel just enough off the ground to allow it to spin freely. Any higher would be wasted effort and introduce potential instability. So, let's put the SnapJack to use. If your bike has side cases like mine, remove them first to make things easier. If you don't, just be aware that it will probably be more difficult to use the SnapJack and to service your chain due to the limited clearance. First thing to do is to use the Velcro strap and secure the front brake lever towards the handlebar, effectively applying and locking the front brakes. Then, put one of the grip pads under the kickstand if needed, and one under the SnapJack. Position the SnapJack in the best location according to your swing arm. Then, push the bike up with one arm, and you snap and lock the SnapJack in place with the other hand. Be careful not to pinch your hand in the pivot. Now, put the locking pin in the top hole of the SnapJack to lock it in place. And now, you should be able to spin the rear wheel freely. You can now go ahead to clean and lube your chain. To release the SnapJack, just do the reverse. Take out the locking pin, push the bike up slightly, and pull and fold the SnapJack away from the swing arm from the pivot. Then, remove the Velcro strap from the front brake lever. Replace your side cases, and you're done. I'll tell you a secret as I pack this up. When I first got the SnapJack, I was getting really frustrated with it. When I tried to snap the jack in place, it wouldn't lift the bike, but just push it sideways. I put the SnapJack away and forgot about it until the next season, when I decided to try it again. The trick is, you're not using the SnapJack to lift the bike. Think of them more like jack stands than the actual jack. Push up on the bike to tip it as you push the SnapJack in place. Once I understood that, it made a world of difference using it. Tirox also makes a single swing arm version of the SnapJack, and they also make a taller version for light dual sport and dirt bikes. For my European viewers, they also license the SnapJack to Oxford brand, and are sold under the Oxford SnapJack V3 with some small changes. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button to help me grow this channel. See you in the next one.